Looking for an ultimate melt in your mouth comfort food? You just found it. Today we are making the perfect hotel style curd vada. We are talking about soft dumplings soaked in creamy seasoned yogurt and topped with bursts of sweets, tangy and spicy chutneys. If your vadas ever turn out hard or dense, don't worry. I am sharing three foolproof secrets today. From mastering the batter consistency to the exact soaking technique to guarantee they turn out super soft every single time. This is a perfect, refreshing treat for any celebration or weekend snack. Drop a comment if you prefer your sweet or spicy. Hit that subscribe button and let's make that. See the secret? What I'm doing it before soaking it. So just crush it and soak it is the secret. And you could have seen our previous video. If not, don't miss it. Just watch it in the previous video. We have shown it how to make the batter. And we have shown it how does it pass our crunchy, crispy, soft test also. You guys will definitely love it. So, what are you waiting for? Don't you think you have to reward us for the secret recipe? Just reward us by liking it, subscribing it, and sharing it. And don't forget to comment what is your preference, whether it is tangy, sweet, or spicy for this yogurt vada or curd vada. Thank you for watching. I am your VJPJ DJ from FoodsMemory channel. Yeah.